The scary truth about the stock market. Have you ever wondered what the stock market is? Have you ever wondered how people become millionaires overnight, while some lose their entire life savings? What's the secret that makes this market so exciting and dangerous? Today, we'll uncover that secret. In this video, we'll tell you how the stock market works, share some real stories, and help you understand how to make the right moves on this exciting journey. Are you ready? So, let's begin. A detailed explanation of the stock market. Let's start with the basics. The stock market is where people buy and sell stocks in companies. When you buy a company's stock, you're buying a small piece of that company. Now you might be thinking, what does this mean for me? Let's say you bought Reliance Industries stock in 2005, when it was around 90 rupees per share. As of today, Reliance's stock has gone above 1500 rupees per share. If you had bought just 10 shares then, they would have cost you 900 rupees, and today, those same 10 shares would be worth 15,000 rupees. That's a huge profit. On the other hand, take the example of Netflix, which entered the stock market in 2012. Back then, its stock was around $15 per share, and today its stock is around $1,000 per share. If you had bought Netflix stock in 2012, your investment would have grown 66 times by today. As you can see, stocks can be extremely volatile. They go up, they come down, and sometimes they rise or fall completely unexpectedly. But why do their prices change? The answer depends on the company's performance, market trends, and sometimes, as in the case of Netflix, just market sentiment. For example, if a company announces great profits, like Tata Motors did in 2020 when they launched their new electric car, then investors start buying that stock, which increases its price. On the other hand, when a company gets caught in a scandal, like Satyam Computers did in 2009, the stock price can fall because people lose faith in the company. Now, I'm going to tell you a story that will chill you to the bone. This is a true story related to the stock market, and it changed the lives of millions of people. And that too in an instant. In 2008, the world was caught in a crisis called the Great Recession. This crisis started with a bubble, the housing market bubble. Banks gave loans to people who couldn't repay them, and when the housing market crashed, it affected the whole world. When the housing market collapsed, the global economic situation deteriorated. Lehman Brothers, one of the world's largest investment banks, went bankrupt in an instant, and stock markets plummeted. People who had invested money in the stock market lost all their capital. Let's say there was a man named John, who invested all his money in the stock market. When the crisis hit, he lost 40% of his retirement fund. Years of savings, hard work, and his future, all gone in a single day. This was the true face of the stock market. Unexpected, volatile, and capable of completely breaking anyone. Although some people became billionaires, many lost everything they owned. So, what's the lesson here? The stock market can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but it's full of risks. It's not a game. It's a place where real money is made or lost. But don't worry, friends. The stock market can be dangerous, but with the right knowledge and strategy, you can make it work in your favor. The key is to stay informed, educate yourself, and know when to take risks and when to play it safe. Finally, I'll just say that we'll keep bringing similar content so that we can understand the stock market together and also earn something from it. Yes, even if we don't earn, we will definitely not lose our hard-earned money, which should be the first rule of investing. Please support us so that we get motivated to bring such content. If you liked this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Until then, take care of yourself and stay on the right path of investment. This video is for educational purposes only and does not provide any investment advice. Investing in the stock market can be risky. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.